Monday. Breezy. Mostly cloudy. Lows.
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in support of the tornado drill for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Minnesota. This is only a test. There is currently a severe weather threat. As part of the test, dispatchers are to share the test emergency communications capabilities and activation procedures. All schools, businesses, hospitals, law enforcement, and other agencies are urged to test severe weather emergency and sheltering plans. Think about where you would shelter right now if a tornado warning were issued for your location. This concludes the evening test tornado drill in support of Severe Weather Awareness Week in Minnesota and Wisconsin. We now return to regularly scheduled programming.
The La Crosse, Wisconsin climate summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., April 10th, 2025. Today's high temperature was 46 degrees and the low temperature was 39 degrees. 0.05 inches of rain fell today, which